Hey there, Creatorpreneurs! Welcome to another edition of Tutorial Tuesday by Laughingbird Software. My name is Marc Sylvester, and today we're going to make ads for your niche market. And we're going to use the Ad Creator template set to get it done. Okay, so first let's talk about what a niche market is. So let's say you're going to advertise your product or service, and you think everybody on the planet wants it. Okay, that's okay, but everybody on the planet, there's so much competition for you that you'll be like white noise. So you want to narrow down your market, your target audience, to a very specific niche target. For example, baseball players. Okay, you make baseball bats, right? It can be used by any baseball player, right? But what if you made baseball bats? What if you made baseball bats only for left-handed baseball players? They see an ad for left-handed bat, they're gonna go, holy cow, I want that. Or you're selling dog collars, right? For all the dogs, fine, but there's a lot of dog collars. But what if you market just to huskies that are 4 years old, right? Everybody that owns a husky that's 4 years old will see that ad and go, that's for me. Okay, we're gonna use the Ad Creator for the Graphics Creator software. Now you can get the Ad Creator by visiting laughingbirdsoftware.com, or you can visit our online version of the software by visiting the Web Graphics Creator, and eventually you'll click on the dashboard and you'll click the Create button, and you can scroll down past the tutorials and you'll see the Ad Creator template set. Okay, so the Ad Creator template set is made up of a whole bunch of generic ads, but the point of this video is to teach you how to create these ads to a specific niche market. So for example, let's use this one for now, okay? Now it's a generic ad and it has a tree in it because it was a beautiful picture, but let's say we want to now market to those left-handed baseball bat users. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is take the picture away. So I'm going to click on the picture and hit delete. I'm going to come over here to photos and videos, and I'm going to type in bat. Okay, so here's a whole bunch of pictures of baseball and bats. So here we go, here's one right here, and all I have to do is drag it over onto the canvas, make it really big because this is a big ad, it's a high resolution ad, and send it to the back. And of course, we now want to market left-handed bats. That's how easy it is to change an ad to your niche market. Let's say I want to take the same ad and I'm marketing to the huskies I was talking about, right? So over here, we'll just simply type in husky and see what comes up. Oh, here's a good one right here. So I'm going to take the baseball bats away and bring the husky over and drop it down and send it to the back. And now we have new left-handed huskies, right? Or something. Okay, so that's how easy it is to modify one of these templates. Now, let me show you something. Okay, some of these ads are animated, okay? They have animated backgrounds. So let me show you how easy it is to change something like this Black Friday sale. Let's click on it. And it loads up and you see the animation. Now you can use this ad as is, of course, or you can narrow it down to your very specific niche market. For example, I'm making collars for puppies. Okay, so let's take away the balloon and let's even take away the sky, the clouds here. And over here, I'm gonna come back to the photos and videos, and I'm gonna type in puppies. Well, first I have to click on the videos tab here, okay? We have photos of puppies or videos of puppies, so let's type in puppies. And another window pops up with a whole bunch of video on puppies. So this one's cute, so I'm gonna click on it, I'm gonna hit the download button, and it's gonna download, let's name him Puppy, to my downloads folder on my computer. Okay, and then I'll come back to the software and I'll come to the file button here, file menu here, and I'm gonna import the video of the puppies, of the puppy, and I'll make it big. and send it to the back. And now I can simply say collars, puppies, and this will say 4. Okay? Collars for puppies, that is an ad, and then you can type in your URL here. Okay? And there is your ad in minutes that you can turn into a niche marketing message. Okay, to create your video with this, I've made another tutorial video on creating ads. So up here somewhere, you're gonna see a little icon, a little white circle with an eye on it. Click it and it'll take you to that other video, okay? I'll leave it up throughout the movie so you can come back to it and click on it. But it'll teach you how to create this as a video that you can upload to Facebook and present your ad. And the video feature of the software is really cool. Like for example, I like this ad. It has an image of a rocket, but what if I wanted a video of a rocket? I can delete it, come up to videos, click on the videos tab and type in rocket, and the videos pop up. And now I can take one of these rockets. All right, this looks good. I'm gonna download this one. Come back to the graphics creator, import the video, and send it to the back. Or let's see something here. Let's say I like the layout of this ad. Okay, but since we're talking about niche markets, I'm not targeting female shoppers. I want to target, I don't know, male shoppers, I guess, right? So inside the graphics creator, there's a shapes feature that when you click on a shape, you can actually add an image to it. So let's come over here to photos and videos again. And I'm gonna type in men shopping. I don't know if we have that, let's see. Oh, we do. This will do pretty good. Make sure that you have selected the circle, okay? If you don't select it, the software doesn't know what you're trying to drag onto. So select it and then drag your image from there onto it. Then you come up here to the shape color and you can set the width so that it's bigger, and then you can set the horizontal offset so you can see both of those guys. And now we close this because we got our picture. And now we don't want the pink, we want it to be blue. So I click on the color. Here's what I did. I went to the canvas format and I'm gonna click on the color and I'm gonna make it blue. And this is now no longer yellow, it's going to be text color white. Looks like it'll fit, okay? And I can make this bigger, and now we have a sale for the dudes as well as the females that I put out yesterday. Now let's say you want to create a niche for both male and female. So I will keep this circle and I'm gonna shrink it a little bit so we can fit both of the circles here, because I'm going to come up here and I'm going to duplicate this circle. Okay, it'll duplicate it exactly, and then repeat the first process by going to photos and I'll type in woman shopper. Okay, here we go. So let's just take this image here, that's perfect. Oh, let's make sure we select it. Drag her over. Now we're gonna come up here to the shape color. When I click on it, it kind of snaps into a grid looking thing. So now we can go over to the width and create just the perfect size. And now we have an ad for both. Okay, real quick, let's do one more. Let's say I'm making software for what's a good niche, programmers. Okay, so let's say I'm doing software for programmers, and I can turn any one of these templates. Let's even take this one. This is unrelated to programmers, it looks like. Time is ticking. So I'm gonna click on it and I'm going to remove the clock because that's not a programming tool. And let's just make sure we say software for programmers. Okay, and then I'm gonna move this up a little bit, shrink this down. Now we're gonna come over here to the Elements tab and come over here to see what elements come with the ad creator. We have backgrounds, we have buttons and banners, okay? We have people. Let's see if there's any programmer-like people here. Okay, here's a programmer looking guy. All right. And now let's position this stuff so that we can see all the words. And this is actually a shape that I created for the template. And I'm going to bring it back and move it like that so it's bigger. There we go. Software for programmers. Use the code program up or whatever. And it's 50% off. And now when your target programmer is searching Facebook and he scrolls, he'll see your ad and he'll stop and he'll click and he'll buy. So think of your target market as you're designing your ads, and you'll get more bang for your buck. You really will. Okay, I hope you got a lot out of this Tutorial Tuesday video, and I'll see you next Tuesday for another video on using the Graphics Creator by Laughingbird Software.